Okay, so got a KEEPRITE furnace here and got a fail to ignite. LED down there flashes 6 times. So the igniter up there gets hot. I just triggered it on with my hands. See if that igniter lights up. I gotta, lighten up. Let me get a heat gun on it. So I get up to about 122 in temperature on it, but then she kicks off again and the LED will flash 6 times, and that code means fail to ignite. So I'm wondering, there it is trying again, going through its cycle. Let's see if I can get any temperature on that. Yeah, well over 140 and around. It's hard to get it right on the infrared, that baby, right on it, but it keeps going through. So I wonder what the temperature range on that, how hot that is supposed to get. Natural gas furnace, so I don't know. It just started acting up. Anybody got any suggestions? Thanksgiving weekend, I'd hate to have to phone a furnace guy. Thanks all.